Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with a recipe of Frankie for the street food lovers that is so easy to prepare and tastes amazing. So let's get started. For this, here I have taken a large bowl. Into this I am adding half cup of refined flour and half cup of whole wheat flour and quarter teaspoon of salt. Now mix everything together. And with help of water, we will need a soft dough. If you want, you can only use the refined flour or whole wheat flour. So here we have to need a soft dough. And now I am adding just little bit oil and knead it again. So our dough is ready. Again I am drizzling some oil and rubbing this into the dough. And now we will cover this and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. And by the time the dough is resting, we will prepare the Frankie masala. For this, in a bowl, add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now mix everything together. Also I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And here you can see our homemade Frankie masala is ready. And now we will move to the next process for the preparation of aloo masala. For this, here I have taken one pan. Into this I am adding little oil. Once the oil is hot, I will be adding 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves and saute this for 15 to 20 seconds. Also goes in the chopped green chili and chopped onion. Here I have taken one medium sized chopped onion. Fry this for 1 to 2 minutes. Also I am adding the chopped capsicum. Mix the capsicum with onion and fry this for 1 to 2 minutes. And here it's ready. And now I'm going to add the dry spices. So quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Also I am adding 2 tablespoons of Frankie masala, the homemade Frankie masala, and fry these well. Make sure the flame should be low. And just to increase the taste, I am adding 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. It's completely optional, but adding this will enhance the taste. And I am adding 1 tablespoon of water just to prevent the masala from sticking to the pan. And here our masalas are fried well. Into this I am adding 2 medium sized boiled, peeled and mashed potatoes. Mix the potato with the masala and mash them well. And here the potatoes are mashed well. For more flavor, I am adding the chopped coriander leaves. Mix this also. And our aloo masala is ready. Now we will check on our dough. Dough has been rested for 15 minutes and we will knead it again just for 1 to 2 minutes, and you can see the dough is very soft. And now we will prepare the Frankie sheets. So just dust some flour to the rolling board. Take out some portion from the dough. Roll it like a ball. Press this and dust it with the flour. And with the help of a rolling pin, roll it into slightly thin chapati. You can adjust the thickness of the chapati according to your taste, but the sheets of Frankie are little thin, so I am rolling it little thin. And here you can see it's not very thick, it's little thin. So here our one chapati is ready. We will take them out, and similarly we will prepare the another one. So take some portion again, dust it with flour and roll it with the help of rolling pin. Roll it slightly thin, and here the second one is also ready, and now we will fry them. For that I am heating a tawa. Into this I am adding little oil and brush the oil, and now put the Frankie sheet on hot tawa and let this cook from this side for 1 minute. By the time, spread the oil on the another side. Once you see these bubbles, then flip them over and cook it from another side for another 1 minute. And after 1 minute we will flip them again, and here you can see the brown spots. That means it's ready. So we will take them out, and now we will prepare the tikkis. So for that, take small portion from the potato mixture and roll it cylindrically like a tikki and give this the shape of a tikki. And here you can see it's ready. And likewise we will prepare the another one. Take small portion and roll it cylindrically and then press it and give this the shape of a tikki. Now we will shallow fry the tikkis. So for that also I am adding little oil on hot tawa and brush the oil all over it. Once the oil is hot, place the prepared tikkis to the hot tawa and fry them for 1 minute from each sides. After 1 minute we will flip them over. Be careful while flipping them, otherwise they may break. And similarly we will flip the another one. Shallow frying them is completely optional because the potatoes are already fried, so it's up to your wish. And now they are ready. They have been fried from both the sides, and we will take them out. So and we will take the another one, and here our potato tikkis are ready. And now the final step, Frankie preparation. So for that, here I have taken the Frankie sheet. On top of it I will spread the tomato sauce. If you want, you can also spread the mayonnaise, and sprinkling little Frankie masala, some chopped onions and coriander leaves, and then we will place the prepared aloo tikki and just press it slightly with your hand and spread. And again on the top of it we will repeat the same process. Some Frankie masala, some chopped onions, and now we will roll it very carefully, and it's done. Our one Frankie is ready, and similarly we will prepare the another one. And here the another one is also ready. So our Frankie is ready. You can see they are looking absolutely tasty. The stuffing are filled perfectly. The balance of the masala is also good, and you can see how tempting they are looking. So try this recipe at your home without compromising with your health. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and families, and click the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest upcoming videos.